I spent years trying to sell digital products online, and there's something that nobody in this space ever told me, something that would have saved me years of exhaustion if someone had just said it out loud. That's what this video is about. But I want to back up because I want you to understand why finding something simple wasn't just a preference for me, it was a necessity. I was a teacher for several years, but I had to resign from my career because of a chronic illness, late-stage Lyme disease. Because as my health deteriorated, it made it impossible for me to keep going. And suddenly I was home, needing to find a way to contribute financially, but dealing with the real limits that come with a chronic health condition. I couldn't do something that required long, draining hours. I needed something flexible, something I could do on good days and step back from on hard days. So I started trying things online like Etsy, Amazon, freelance writing, creating digital products the traditional way, building websites, learning funnels, setting up email systems. And let me be real with you. Some of them made money, but at what cost? I was constantly working, constantly figuring out the next tool, the next pattern, the next strategy, constantly starting over. And for someone managing a health condition, that model simply did not work for me. Nobody warned me that most so-called beginner-friendly platforms are actually overwhelming. The minute you sign up, you're hit with 100 tutorials, upsells, and tools you supposedly can't live without. And if you're someone like me who doesn't have the energy for a steep learning curve, it feels impossible before you even start. Nobody warned me that most online business models are built for people with unlimited time and energy. The content treadmill, the constant hustle, the if you're not growing, you're dying mentality. And nobody warned me that there was a completely different way. And then a few months ago, things really came to a head. My last child left home. We became empty nesters. And I sat there thinking, I'm 53 years old. My husband has worked incredibly hard for our family for years. And I want to help out financially, not someday, now. But I'm not going back to school. I'm not starting a career that requires years of experience I don't have. And I cannot spend another year spinning my wheels. I needed something that fit my life, my health, and that's when everything shifted. Now let me be real with you. I was skeptical because I have been down roads before that sounded simple and turned out not to be. But here's what nobody warned me about selling digital products. When you have the right system, something simple, structured, and sustainable, it doesn't have to be complicated. No tech degree, no big following, no building websites from scratch, not being on camera every second. I'm doing this from my phone in about 2 hours a day, working around my health, working around my life. And for the first time in a really long time, I felt hopeful again. And if you're sitting there thinking, Lori, that sounds too good to be true, I hear you, friend. I thought the same thing. But here's what I learned. Simple doesn't mean ineffective. Simple just means you can actually stick with it. Before I keep going, if any of this is resonating with you, I want you to grab something. Down in the description below, there's a link to my free class. It walks you through the exact system I'm using right now, step by step. No fluff, no overwhelm, just the path. Grab it now and keep watching because I want to show you what that actually looks like. So let me tell you what changed for me, because I think this is the part most people in this space skip over. There are 3 things I wish someone had warned me about before I spent years going in circles. And once I understood these 3 things, everything started to make sense. Number 1, you don't have to build your product from scratch. One of the biggest things that stopped me early on was the belief that I had to be some kind of expert, that I had to create something original and brilliant before I could earn anything. And if you're someone managing your energy carefully, that idea alone is exhausting. What nobody warned me is that there's a model where the product is already done for you. The job isn't to build it, it's to share it, connect it with the right people in the right way, and let it work. That's a completely different conversation. Number 2, you don't need a big audience to start, friend. I have spent time in spaces where I felt completely invisible, a small following, no email list, and no big platform. And I was told over and over, grow your audience first, then think about income. That advice kept me stuck for years. What nobody warned me is that you can start earning before you have a following. The system I use now doesn't require thousands of followers or years of content creation. It requires showing up consistently in the right place with the right message for the right people. That I can do, and so can you. Number 3, simple systems are the ones you actually stick with. I've started and stopped more complicated setups than I can count. The multi-platform strategy, the elaborate funnels, the 15-step email sequences. And here's what I noticed every single time. The more complicated the system was, the faster I burned out. Not because I wasn't motivated, but because complexity is exhausting. And when your energy is limited, you protect it. Simple systems are the ones you can maintain on your good days and your hard days. That's not a compromise. That's the whole point. When I finally found something that checked all 3 of those boxes, not building from scratch, no big audience required, simple enough to stick with, I stopped second guessing. I just started. And if you're sitting there wondering whether this could actually work for you, for your health, your schedule, your season of life, I want you to keep watching because I think the answer is going to surprise you. So what does this actually look like? You're selling digital products, things like guides, templates, resources. They're a done-for-you framework. You don't need to create everything from scratch. You don't need to be a tech expert. You can literally run this from your phone and Wi-Fi in about 2 hours a day for complete beginners, moms, dads, empty nesters, people who need something that fits their real life, not a life they wish they had. And here's the thing that nobody warned me and what I want to make sure I warn you. This option exists, a path that doesn't require burnout, that doesn't require tech overwhelm, that you can build in the margins of your day, even if those margins are small. That's the thing I wish someone had told me years ago. Friend, if you're tired, if you've tried things that didn't work, if you're in a season of life where you just need something simple that actually fits, you're not alone. That's exactly why I'm here. Grab the link to my free class below. It will show you exactly what I'm doing. And if you want to go deeper on exactly what digital products are, how they work, and why they can pay you over and over from a single sale, I put together a video that breaks that down. It's called Sell Once, Get Paid Forever, and it's the perfect next step. The link is right here. I'll see you there.